we will be discussing about only one altcoin today, that is ICP Internet Computer. I have created whiteboard animation so that it is easy to understand this coin easily and completely. Also, we will do technical analysis to see its short-term targets and level 2 data. In case you're wondering why price of ICP, that is Internet Computer, has skyrocketed, then let me explain this to you with the help of whiteboard animation that I have created after a lot of efforts. ICP have integrated Bitcoin and Ethereum transactions so that people can send and receive Bitcoin and Ethereum within ICP chain and then transfer it or swap it to altcoins or stable coins such as USDT within ICP chain at almost no fee. In short, if you have Bitcoin now and you want to send it to an exchange, swap some of it, then after some trades and booking some profit, you want to withdraw Bitcoin back to your wallet. And if Bitcoin transaction fee is $10, then you will get charged $10 for sending and $10 for withdrawing from the exchange back to your wallet. If you keep doing this daily, then you end up paying a lot more. Many people do this as they want to store Bitcoin in their own wallet with their own private keys, as they do not trust the crypto exchanges anymore. In this case, you can send Bitcoins to your ICP chain wallet and be in full control of your Bitcoins while paying only $10 once to send funds to ICP chain, and then you can swap Bitcoin for tokens or stable coins such as USDT, or you can distribute Bitcoin to your friends, or you can pay for your daily needs. All of this at almost zero cost, as ICP chain has enabled sending, receiving and swapping Bitcoins within its chain. This way you end up paying only once for sending Bitcoin to your ICP wallet, and then onwards you just do not need to pay those huge transaction costs. This can be useful to send Bitcoins to tens or hundreds of people as airdrop at almost no cost. To add to this, the transaction gets completed within 2 seconds flat. You do not need to wait for 10 minutes anymore, as you can load your ICP wallet with CKBTC and reduce transaction time to 2 seconds. You do not need to wait for 10 minutes anymore. Well, you might be asking, this was enabled in November 2022, then why price skyrocketed now? This is due to the recent development of integrating Ethereum transactions too on ICP. Yes, now you can send Ethereum as well as Bitcoin on the ICP chain. Also, they announced that more chains will be integrated soon on ICP, that is Internet Computer. You have to understand that after all this swapping and exchanging or spending, if you wish to get coins back to your traditional Bitcoin wallet, then again you would have to pay the typical $10 Bitcoin transaction fee or $4 Ethereum gas fee. But in most cases, why would you want to use traditional Bitcoin or Ethereum wallet when you can use ICP wallet instead? Also, this system cannot be hacked like the usual bridges of popular Layer 2 protocols usually get hacked. This is because ICP does not use a bridge at all. ICP uses ICP nodes to transmit the Bitcoins to the Bitcoin nodes. To add to this, any developer can host entire Web3 website with its hosting and gameplay on the ICP chain itself with 100% use of ICP chain only. Today, ICP smart contracts are capable of offering the on-chain Ethereum full node API by using the HTTPS outcalls feature to cloud API providers to securely query the Ethereum blockchain and send transactions to it. It costs $1 to host a 214 megabytes website on ICP chain. Also, nowadays people want everything on chain, and so this is the perfect solution. All of this is possible due to the team of more than 200 voluntary developers of ICP. There is a huge surge in ICP transactions, as can be seen in here. This is mostly due to Bionic.io, as this website uses transactions of ICP and the Web3 hosting from ICP chain. Bionic enables trading of Bitcoin ordinal NFTs. ICP, that is Internet Computer, has its nodes worldwide to act as CDN for fast loading of website. 247 million ICP is locked for 8 years, while total supply is only 511 million, which means that 48% of ICP is locked for 8 years. While we should also consider that ICP fees are always burned, this means that the ICP coin is indeed deflationary, reducing its supply every day. As you must be knowing, the supply and demand is all that drives the token prices in the market. This web wallet is built 100% on ICP Web3. You can use it easily to send and receive Bitcoin, Ethereum, hot or not, Nuance, Sonic, and many more coming soon. Let me tell you about today's technical analysis for ICP. ICP has just crossed a tough POC that is point of control at 9.406 and so can easily go to 9.9, while the lower level of POC at 9.3 can act as a huge resistance. This is not financial advice. Bitcoin dominance is currently at super high levels and is expected to come down. This is when altcoins will start pumping as they will gain some dominance while Bitcoin will lose some dominance. ICP has gained popularity due to Ethereum integration, and soon many more chains will be integrated. Also, the coin enabled Web3 games to be 100% hosted on ICP chain. This makes ICP a must-buy for me. ICP is biggest in market cap of top AI and data tokens. ICP is top in distributed computing tokens. ICP is number 4 in DeFi tokens. ICP is on top of Launchpad tokens. Top in lending and borrowing tokens. Top in metaverse tokens. Top in collectibles and NFT tokens. ICP is top in DAO tokens too. Also, you can stake ICP and then use the same wallet to vote for proposals that update, manage and configure the ICP network's nervous system. Beware that you get voting rewards only if you vote. Voting rewards are shown at annualized rewards rate of 16%. Consider it as ROI. Please give a like if you like the content and hit subscribe button to see me tomorrow with new altcoin. Also, please do check my other altcoin videos.